about Chapter 10, Consolidation and Settlement in a Soil Mechanics. Introduction. Consolidation is a process associated with the property of compressibility of soil mass. Compressibility is an engineering property by virtue of which soil mass is capable of undergoing compression or reduction in volume under pressure. Consolidation is defined as the process in which gradual reduction in volume of soil mass occurs under sustained loading, and it's primarily due to expulsion of pore water. 10.1 Behavior of soil under compressive load. A stress increase caused by construction of foundation or other loads compresses soil layers. The compression is caused by deformation of soil particles, relocations of soil particles, and expulsion of air or water from void space. Soil particles and water being incompressible don't deform much under static loadings as foundation. Therefore, settlement caused by deformation of soil and water particle is not significant. Relocation of particles occurs in highly porous and granular soil deposits immediately after the applications of load. But for a saturated and fine-grained soil, this type of settlement has a very less significance. The type of compression which has to be looked very carefully is compression due to the expulsion of water from fine-grained soil saturated under sustained static loads. This type of compression is time dependent and has a larger magnitude so as to impair the stability of structure. Compression of soil mass under a long-term sustained load due to expulsion of pore water is known as process of consolidation. In general, all soils are incompressible. They undergo certain degree of volume reduction under compressive loads. The compressibility of confined coarse-grained cohesionless soils such as sand and gravel is rarely a practical concern because the amount of compression is likely too small and any settlement will occur rapidly after the load is applied. So generally speaking, settlement in such soils occur during the period of construction or load application, and the deformations are essentially permanent in character. The term compression suits for coarse-grained cohesionless soils, and the term consolidation for fine-grained saturated cohesive soils. Consolidation of fine-grained cohesive soils is quite different from the compression of cohesionless soil under comparable static loads. The consolidation of clay may be much greater than compression of cohesionless, and settlement may take a very long time to occur. Structures often settle due to consolidation of saturated clay stratum. The consolidation of thick compressible clay layers is serious and may cause structural damage. 10.2 10.2 Settlement of structure resting on soil. Compression of a soil mass under externally applied load. The settlement of soil mass. The magnitude of soil settlement depends on the several factors as density, void ratio, grain size and shape, structure, type of soil, past loading history of soil deposit, magnitude and method of application of load, degree of confinement of the soil mass. Soil mass under loaded area is confined by soil masses surrounding it. The soil settlement caused by load may be divided into three broad categories: immediate settlement or elastic settlement, primary consolidation settlement, secondary consolidation settlement. Immediate settlement or elastic settlement. It is caused by elastic deformation of dry, moist and